We are now looking at question 11.8. The text reads: The debate over urban surveillance is not just about privacy versus security, it's about the kind of society we want to live in. The use of surveillance tools needs to be critically examined, not only for their immediate impact, but also for their long term implications on democratic values and human rights. The question reads: The discussion of surveillance's impact on democratic values and human rights primarily serves to A. Warn against unchecked surveillance practices, B. Promote the benefits of surveillance for safety, C. Detail the technological aspects of surveillance systems, D. Advocate for more surveillance in public spaces. So, A. Warn against unchecked surveillance practices. That is potentially correct because it does directly impact on democratic values and human rights, as it says so in the passage, which we'll highlight. B. Promote the benefits of surveillance for safety. That would not be correct. C. Detail the technological aspects of surveillance systems. It doesn't do that either. Or D. Advocate for more surveillance in public spaces. That would not be correct either. So, what it's telling us is that it is giving us a warning that surveillance tools needs to be critically examined because we don't know when we are being watched and we don't know when we are not being watched. So if there are unchecked surveillance practices, it can definitely have a severe impact on your human rights as well as your values to live in a free society. And you need to know what the implications are and whether you are under surveillance or not because it's your basic human right. So we can say that the discussion focuses on the negative implications of surveillance on democratic values and human rights, which is aimed at cautioning against unchecked practices, and therefore we can say it correlates directly with option A.